Hi, this is attorney Arash Jafary with AJ Law Practice. So you've been in a car wreck, as always. This is where we start the scenario. You've been involved in a car wreck and you wonder, you haven't been to any doctors. You haven't seen anyone, as a matter of fact. Do you have a personal injury case? I'm going to start by saying no. Your entire personal injury case depends on documentations by the medical providers. They have to say how much pain you've endured. They have to show, or we have to show the insurance company, how much treatments you've had and what specifically was done for you, how you were hurt. That comes from MRIs, that comes from the chiropractors, neurologists, or any other doctor, or orthopedic surgeons, whoever else that you've gone to. Those records, those bills are submitted to the insurance company, and the insurance company looks at it, says, yes, we see a pattern, we see great documentation showing that you've been hurt in a car wreck. So here's how much we'll pay you. Without it, you don't have a case. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, feel free to reach out to me, and I'm always here to answer questions. Have a wonderful day, my friends.